It's easy to become comfortable when making a singing time video, especially when you found a method that works. But sometimes we just need to switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Let's find out how. I have some super easy tips on how to make your video even more enjoyable for your viewers. Changing your physical position. It's easy to sit down while you're teaching, and sometimes it's necessary, especially if you're sitting at the piano and teaching at the same time. However, if you can stand up while you teach, the children can then see what you're doing and be connected to you, because as children, they're moving all the time anyways. So to see someone that's standing up, talking to them, it helps them engage more. Not always is it necessary to stand up, but when you can, choose to stand and change that dynamic in your video. And smile. Smiling is super important in your video to show the kids that you love what you're doing, that you love the gospel of Jesus Christ, and that you love them. Keep variety in your teaching style. For example, if you're doing sign language one week, then the next week choose to do posters or a visual aid of some sort, something that's going to be different than the way you taught it last week. This will help the children stay engaged and keep it fun and entertaining for them and for you. Video techniques. There are a few techniques that you can use to cause more visual interest in your video. You can see here in the video I posted last week that I used 3 different camera angles, and it caused interest. It kept the video moving along. So don't be afraid to place the camera in different locations with different things for the children to see, or different angles of you so that the children stay engaged. And keep your video 5 minutes or less. If you're feeling the need to make it longer, like 10, 15, 20 minutes, I would suggest making a few different videos and posting them over the coming weeks. But a 5-minute video is about the length of time that a children's attention span can handle. And this makes it super easy for you because then you don't have so much content to cover. It's easier to put the video together and faster to release it. And if you have questions about how to make your video shorter, check out the link below on the video that I made previously about how to make an efficient video. Time for the invitation. My invitation to you is to choose one of these techniques and use it in your video this coming week. Your video will be more visually appealing, and the Lord will bless you as you strive to do better and better every week. You are awesome! You're doing such a great job. We love you as a Stake Primary Presidency, and we are cheering you on. See ya! It's so giggly today.